What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are checking out the Ethereum US dollar pair on the 5-minute chart. It looks like that we are forming a huge cup and handle, as you can see here. Are we going to break the handle to the upside and retest the resistance to break out and meet these crazy price targets? We've potentially already formed an Adam and Eve also, and we are going to break to the upside. Or if this handle fails and we continue to the downside, we might be forming an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, guys. So stay tuned for some potential levels for this breakout, guys. Also, the Litecoin US dollar pair, we did fail to break this resistance area, but I do believe that we are going to have a consolidation phase and come and retest it for the 4th time, guys, meaning that it is very, very likely for the 4th time we are going to break this resistance area, guys. And if you're interested in trading, guys, make sure to check out the link in the description of the PrimeXbt leverage trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as promotion code, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. You deposit $2,000, you'll be getting $1,000 on top of that to trade with, guys. And a massive thank you. I got 96 likes on my last video. Make sure to smash up the like button. Let's try and arrive to 150 likes for this video, guys. And we're also going to check out the BTC US dollar pair. We did fail to break the $60,000 range, and let me show you here with this arrow that we just managed to get on the very edge of the VPVR. If we break the $60,000 range, this could go parabolic to the upside because there is no volume after the $60,000, guys. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, guys, checking out the 5-minute chart here for the Ethereum US dollar pair, we can see that we are potentially forming a huge cup and handle. Okay, we have this resistance point right over here. There's been major support also, as you can see right over there, and resistance here also. So we could discuss that this is a huge cup, and now we are forming a handle. Okay, guys, if we break the handle to the upside, we'll be coming and retesting this resistance area. And if we break this resistance area, it is very likely that we are going to come all the way, if we calculate the measured move from the cup, from the lower part to the resistance, from the breakout, guys. This could take the Ethereum US dollar pair all the way to the $2,200 range. Remember, Ethereum's looking extremely bullish. If we go here to the 4-hourly chart, remember that we have broken out from this symmetrical triangle and the measured move is above $2,500. Okay, so now we're just creating bullish patterns on top of other bullish pattern. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. Obviously, there is going to be hard retracements, as you can see. Remember that we talked about this symmetrical triangle right over here, and the breakout was getting the measured move from the back of the symmetrical triangle, and from the breakout, this would take us all the way down here. Everything was looking extremely bullish, but we did not manage to get above the support area from this symmetrical triangle. It was bouncing on the resistance, and we finally crashed down and bounced here where the all-time high was. It was the measured move also from this symmetrical triangle, as you can see right here on the chart. Now, we have created a nice round bottom over here. So this is potentially a cup and handle. Okay, we might break up, retest resistance, and then continue to the upside. Also, this could be an Adam and Eve. Okay, but it seems that this round bottom is below this one. I like it to be at the same level. Okay, but also if we do not manage to break this handle to the upside, we might be forming an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, guys. Okay, so this could continue to the downside, coming back, retest the resistance right here, and we'll be creating an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, guys. So this is what I got for the Ethereum US dollar pair. This is the all-time high. I don't think we'll go below these levels. We have kind of wicked down below, but we could actually come back down and retest the resistance, the old resistance of this symmetrical triangle, guys. This could be actually a case where we come all the way down and retest this support level, okay? Because something similar happened to Bitcoin, okay? We broke all-time highs, remember, just right over here. And as we broke all-time highs, everybody was expecting a nice bounce from the old all-time highs, okay? So we broke the all-time highs from there, and everybody was expecting that this was going to hold and we were going to have a bounce to the upside. But what we actually came back in and dumped harder, okay, for the last few weeks. So this could happen to Ethereum also, guys. So be careful. If this pattern plays out though, like I showed you, if we break this resistance area, it is going to be extremely bullish in my opinion, okay? This is around about the 1995 range, okay, where we've clearly created a huge resistance area. And this is a beautiful cup and handle in my opinion. If we come and retest and break the $2,100 range with a good amount of volume, it is going to be great to place a long position, guys, to meet the $2,200 range. Okay, this is what I got for Ethereum. Let's check out the Litecoin US dollar pair, guys. We did fail to break out from this resistance area. As you can see, I did post a video. It was yesterday that I thought the breakout was going to happen, but it is very, very likely that we are going to consolidate around this area and come back and retest it for a fourth time. The more times we retest a resistance or a support area, it is very, very likely that we are going to break it, okay? As you can see here, we have some retests right there, okay? If you have 2 points, then you can create the symmetrical triangle, okay? We had a retest right there, now a retest right here. Now, the fourth one is going to be very likely that we are going to break it, okay? So the more times you touch a resistance or a support, most likely it's going to break. I do believe it's going to come here to the upside. We're going to retest it again, and then break to the upside. Also, as you can see, we did have a nice bounce. We were talking before in the channel about this potential inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern right over there. There is a bit of volatility here, but you can see there's a right shoulder. And we did break to the upside, and we bounced nicely here at this support green box that I've got. So yeah, it looks like we're having a nice bounce. We just need to get above, again, this resistance area. This is the other green box. Okay, now we are going to struggle to get above this. Once we get above again, you know, fourth attempt, very, very likely we will break to the upside to come and retest this resistance before we continue to the upside, which the measured target from the symmetrical triangle, guys, you know it, I've been saying it before, it is over the $310 range, as you can see here on the chart. But it is going to be very difficult, and it's going to take several weeks, in my opinion, to arrive to those levels. Now, what we need to do is break this resistance from this symmetrical triangle. Remember, we've got support right over here at the 195 range, and also 186, and also the support here from this symmetrical triangle. In my opinion, you know, it is going to break to the upside. We are in a huge uptrend, so I do believe that we are breaking to the upside sooner rather than later, guys. Let's check out the BTC US dollar pair. Right, guys, what I wanted to show you here for the BTC US dollar pair, this is the $60,000 range right over here, okay? And as I mentioned, we are struggling quite a bit to get above the $60,000. And as you can see here on the VPVR, let me just zoom in here. You know, we're just getting at the very end of where the huge amount of volume is, the huge amount of volume traded. If I just get this together like that, we're just arriving to the very end of this cliff. Okay, once we break above this area, there is no volume at all. The volume disappears, as you can see right there. So, you know, we will potentially have a very volatile breakout to the upside once we break the $60,000 range, because in between 60,000 and 61,800, which is the all-time high for Bitcoin, there's absolutely hardly any volume. Okay, so we'll be entering again price discovery once we start breaking these levels. But now we are in a retracement stage, so we did fail to get above. Let me just get the VPVR out of the way. We did fail to break this kind of an ascending ascending triangle. We were having major resistance right there, and we did break to the downside. We talked about this in my last episode. Measured move would be, from the breakout all the way down here, and obviously we got a nice bounce here from my support box, as I showed you here. So decent bounce right there. As you can see, from this resistance point we broke with major support and bounced right there again. So now we are going to probably consolidate around this area for quite a bit. Our mission now is to break the $60,000 range. If we break the $60,000 range, guys, next target would be the all-time high. If we break this support area, 57,000, well, guys, now we have to look at some different levels. As you can see, we did have this downwards channel, as you can see right here. So I do believe that we would get support, okay, from this resistance area from this downwards channel. As you can see right here, we have multiple points right there. Okay, and multiple points right here. So we did manage to break nicely, and we have in this consolidation phase just on top of the channel here of the trend line. So if we break these levels right over there, we might come back down and retest the support area from this channel, which would be, all depending on where we're going to arrive, around about the $55,000 range. So this is what I got for the BTC US dollar technical analysis, guys, and this is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, guys, please do. We got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies safely. We got price predictions, we got the latest technical analysis and news, guys, so make sure to check it out. The link is in the description of the website or the pinned comment. And if you haven't seen my Bybit leverage trading tutorial, a video popping up on your screen, a massive thank you for tuning in. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.